Good morning. Today, I am going to share some important news in simple and clear English. Let's begin with technology. Artificial intelligence is growing very rapidly across the world. Many companies are developing advanced AI tools to improve productivity and efficiency. People are using AI for learning, coding, content creation, and even daily decision-making. Because of this, students and professionals are focusing more on improving their technical skills. However, some experts are concerned about the future. They believe that over-dependence on AI may reduce human creativity and critical thinking. Although AI is very useful, it is important to use it in a balanced and responsible way. Now, let's move to education. Online learning is becoming more popular than ever before. Earlier, students mostly depended on classroom learning, but now many prefer online platforms. This is because online learning is flexible, affordable, and easily accessible from anywhere. At the same time, some students face challenges such as distractions and lack of focus. So teachers and platforms are trying to make learning more interactive and engaging. They are introducing videos, quizzes, and real-time discussions to improve the learning experience. Next, let's talk about health and lifestyle. Doctors are advising people to maintain a healthy routine. They suggest regular exercise, proper sleep, and a balanced diet. Earlier, many people ignored their health, but now they are becoming more aware and careful. Although it is not always easy to follow a strict routine, small daily habits can create big improvements over time. People are slowly understanding the importance of mental and physical health. Finally, let's discuss personal growth. Many individuals are focusing on self-development. They are learning new skills, improving communication, and setting clear goals. Because of this, confidence and productivity levels are increasing. Even though progress may seem slow, consistency is helping people achieve long-term success. Many people now believe that daily practice and discipline are the keys to improvement. So these are today's important updates. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay confident.